Drag racing at the Glamis Sand Dunes is a spectacle, especially at nighttime. But to be safe, you need a lot of light. The stock RZR 1000 headlights are okay, but when you're moving along at full speed, you need more, a whole lot more. So let's get the side-by-side back in the motor's shop, stat, and do some serious upgrading action. Heretic Studio makes some killer high-performance LED light products specifically for the XP1000 as well as other side-by-sides. The headlights and tails are easily double the light output over stock, and installation is as simple as swapping them out. They not only look futuristic, but they come in different colors and are made right here in the USA. In addition to their headlights, taillights, and quattro light pods, we also picked up this 30-inch light bar to turn night into day, and a 3-piece grille that features a smaller 6-inch LED light bar, all with red accent colors. So let's start by installing the grille. Now this 3-piece grille couldn't be any easier to install. Simply pop out the stock upper grille, then remove the fasteners for the lower grille, then put the fasteners back in with the new grille. After comparing apples to oranges, just snap in your new grille. Yes, there's some simple wiring that's involved, but we'll get to that later. We're going to get to the headlights next. Now, you don't need to remove the bumpers in order to install these lights, but we did for filming purposes. Now, if you want to do the same and play along, use a Torx T40 bit or driver, remove the 10 fasteners holding the front end on, then using a Torx T25, remove the 3 fasteners holding the stock lights down. Now, you will be reusing this hardware, including the springs, so don't lose them. Can you say badass upgrade? Well, I just did. There's just no comparison over stock. These aren't just stock headlight lenses retrofitted with LEDs either. Just look how well made these are. They support low and high beams, are made from billet aluminum, and feature a double O-ring design to keep out water, moisture, and dust. Oh, and check out this integrated halo light, or is it a daytime running light? Either way, it's cool. Install them using the hardware I told you not to lose earlier, and then reinstall the front end. Now, I'm not trying to make this look simple, guys. This really is that simple. Now here's the really hard part. Okay, I'm just joking. See the dangling wires and the wiring harness? You gotta connect them to stuff. Thankfully, the stuff is super obvious. The harness mates up to the factory harness, and then this red wire gets connected to the red wire they supply, and the black one, well, you get the idea. They just made it all too easy. Those black and red wires are also cut to a perfect length to connect to your RZR 1000's keyed ignition power supply and ground, so that the halos or DRLs will turn on with your key. Once connected, you're good to go. Swapping out the taillights is just as easy as the headlights. Remove the 3 11mm fasteners that hold the stock lights on, and then use their hardware along with a 5/32 driver to mount the new lights. Again, the difference between the stock and Heretic's LED replacement is night and day. Check this out. Now onto the wiring. Connect the wiring harness for the reverse lights, then the factory wiring harness, and then reinstall the bumper. For those killer rear LED lights, you're going to need to run wiring to your battery and to a switch that's not supplied on the dash. Heretic's light pods are called quattro LED lights. They draw only 2.5 amps and pump out 2,500 lumens. We're installing ours on the front of the cage, so first remove the 2 factory cage bolts to mount the lights. We picked up some aftermarket brackets available just about anywhere off-road accessories are sold and bolted them onto the cage using the bolts we just removed. The lights come with a quick disconnect wiring harness, but there's a challenge. It won't fit down in this gap for the cage, so we're going to snip the wire and then reconnect it after we route it where we want it. Next up is Heretic's 30-inch LED light bar. You can mount these to any vehicle really, but to mount them to our RZR XP 1000 we picked up these brackets from 50 Caliber Racing at an off-road swap meet, which made installation a breeze. The tricky part is when it comes to the wiring for the light bar. You need to run the provided wire through the roll cage. Now there's a hole at the top and the bottom. After we push the wire up from the bottom, I grabbed a pick tool and a flat blade screwdriver to yank it on out. Then it was just a matter of performing some electrical surgery, then connecting it to the battery and a dash switch. Now, the manufacturer says you'll be able to signal Batman with this light, and we believe them. It pumps out a whopping 13,680 lumens, which I think is 1 lumen less than the sun. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but it's seriously bright. Light up your next off-road adventure from top to bottom and front to rear with all of these incredible LED lights from Heretic Studio.